Introducing Cogeneration System. Traditionally, industrial factories receive power supply from electricity generated from the national grid. And with heat energies generated by burning fossil fuel and power the operation. By introducing cogeneration system, also known as combined heat and power, as a power generation alternative engine, industrial factories will have improved overall energy supply security and overcome the drawback of heat losses with conventional systems. The combustion of natural gas in the gas engine rotates the engine pistons and spins the generators to produce electricity. Instead of direct emission into the atmosphere, the excess heat from exhaust and engine radiator will be harvested through heat exchangers to maximize its potential to perform useful work through a cogeneration system. With the excess heat captured, we can produce up to 3 useful heat energies for the factory's operation. Let's look at the heat conversion process. To generate steam, waste heat will enter a waste heat recovery boiler. To generate hot water, waste heat will enter a water tube heat exchanger and into the hot water tank. To generate chilled water, waste heat will enter an absorption chiller and into a chilled water tank. Waste heat energies captured from the natural gas engine are now transformed into useful heat energies and are ready to be utilized in the factory. With the implementation of cogeneration system, factories can benefit from cheaper form of energy generation and lower electricity cost. Ultimately, cogeneration system can achieve up to 85% efficiency compared to traditional method.